Good morning, Bob Mercier here with AceClamp. We're here promoting one of our newer products in the market. It's a new solar system called Solar Snap. We're promoting a full rail system for high wind areas, specifically in the Caribbean and any coastal waterways along the US. The product is unique and different in regards to the type of product it is. It's a rail type system, and this particular product actually snaps together, so Solar Snap. It's a very easy to assemble type product. If you picture your typical rail system, it's a locking nut that just snaps directly in, locks in. The system is unique in regards to the fact that it's the first snap fit type solar rail system in the marketplace. It's also rated for category 4, 5 hurricanes in high wind zone areas. So we're pretty excited about the product and the benefits that this product can bring into the Caribbean markets and high wind zone areas. So for more information, you can reach us at aceclamp.com. Thank you.